Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to turn on or off two-factor authentication in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Snapchat account. So I'm going to click on here, open my Snapchat. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this profile icon right here. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon. Take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply come to two-factor authentication. Then it's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue. It's going to take you right here. At this point here, you have two methods by which you can use to turn on your two-factor authentication. One of the first method is SMS verification. The second method is authentication app. So whichever way, you can choose any of the two options to turn on your two-factor authentication. But in this tutorial, I'm going to use SMS verification to turn on my two-factor authentication. So this is going to open up and you will have to wait for verification code. So once you have the code, enter it. So 4881 and it's going to connect just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on skip for now. Then it takes you right here. And at this point here, you can see that your two-factor authentication has been fully on. Now, in the same thing, if you want to off the two-factor authentication in your Snapchat account, what you need to do is to simply click on here. And this is going to pump up. If you disable SMS verification, only your password will be required to log in Snapchat account on your device. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on disable. With that, you have turned on or turned off two-factor authentication in Snapchat account. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.